Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to import Excel data into a MySQL Workbench. At the same time we are going to see what is meant by filtering and sorting in MySQL Workbench. Okay. So right now I'm getting into my Workbench. So what I'm doing is first thing I'm creating a new thing. So just go here and give the plus button. So I said no, just change it to schemas. After changing it to schemas, just go to file and give a new query tab. So I'm creating a new query tab. So this query one is nothing but till now what we have discussed, that is in query one. Right now we are going to do, first thing we are going to do, importing the CSV file into MySQL Workbench. So next what we are going to do is how to do filtering and sorting in MySQL. Then third is operators in MySQL. Okay guys, first step, sir, till now we are practicing with very small amount of data. Let's say we created the table and we inserted. It's not possible to insert more than 100 or 200 because we are doing it manually. So how can I import a Excel file? So let's say I'm having a ready-made Excel file. I'm showing that. If you see my screen, I'm seeing the file called core prices. I'm opening it up. So which is having almost 1,000 rows. So I want this file to be imported into MySQL Workbench. So let's say first step. So right now whenever you are opening the Workbench, you want to say which database you are using now. So I already created the database called YouTube. Right now I am going to use the database called use YouTube. So after this, execute it and run it, automatically you able to see the YouTube is highlighted here. Okay. Now what is the next step, sir? What next step I want to do to import that core prices into the YouTube database? So now go to this YouTube, select it, right click this, you able to find table data import wizard. I hope everyone able to see the table data import wizard. Click it. It is asking the file to import. Browse it and select the core prices and just I'm giving open. So once you opened it, the path is getting loaded here. Just give next, next, again give next, don't do anything, next. So it is importing. The file is quite large, 1,000 rows. Yeah, it's done. Give next and finish. So what it is saying, the 1,000 rows is imported here. Let's say if you want to see that, if you expand this table, just refresh it, you're able to see that core prices is loaded here. Are you able to see this? Now I am seeing in the database of YouTube, in tables I able to see the core prices where I imported it from my local system, correct? So select star from car underscore prices. So this is my table that I imported. So I'm selecting and running this query. Automatically it is showing the file in the Excel into the MySQL Workbench. Are you able to see here how I loaded the file, that is CSV file, from here to there. Okay guys, next is, okay sir, we know how to import the file into MySQL. So you can import n number of files using this and you can do all the tasks that you want to perform. Next is filtering and sorting in MySQL. How to filter, as at the same time how to sort the data in MySQL. First step, to filter the data we want to use where class. Let's say I'm using select, I want to select only the model cruise. Let's say I want to select only the model cruise. Select star means all the columns from car prices where model equal to, I want to give cruise because cruise is a string, that's why I'm giving in a double quotes. CRU is a T. So what happened? So if I enter this and if I execute this line, now I will get data only for a model cruise. So this is the way you can filter the data in the MySQL. So in writing, whenever you're writing SQL query, if you want to filter any data, you can use var class. So this is the thing used to filter the data. So how can I sort the data now? To sort the data, you can go for order by class, order by. So using order by, you can sort the columns in the table. Example, so I'm giving select star from core prices. Now let's say I want to sort it based on the price. You can give order by, order by price. So either you can sort it in ascending order or descending order. Right now I'm giving order by price in ascending. You want to give ASC. If you're not mentioning anything, by default it will take it as an ascending. Okay. So if I'm running this, if you see here, price is sorted in ascending order. Or else you can mention ascending also. If you don't want an ascending order, you can give DESC, which means descending. So now if I execute this, automatically my price is getting sorted in a descending order. Is it possible to sort two columns at the same time? Yes, right now we sorted based on only price. Example, I'm giving select star from core prices, order by, make in ascending, comma, price in descending. So now I'm going to sort this data based on two columns. First make. Once the make is sorted in ascending order, it will sort the price in descending order. I hope you're able to see here. So what is happening? So make is sorted in ascending order. Let's say C comes first and followed by F, H, Honda, Nissan. So first make is sorted in ascending order. Okay. If you see, there is many Chevrolet. Once it is sorted in ascending, then it will go for price and then it will sort in descending order. I hope you're able to see here. Make in the make column is in ascending order. Once the make column is sorted, let's say we have multiple Chevrolet here. So a single data is repeating many times. So for that, next round of sorting will be done based on price. I hope you understood how to do multiple sorting. That's a multiple sorting. That means a sorting on different columns. I hope you understood what is meant by filtering and sorting. Now we are going to see a logical operators. Let's say if you take operators in SQL, so you have two things. One is conditional operators, another is logical operators. Sir, what is my conditional operators means? Commonly used conditional operator in MySQL is equal to, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, then not equal to, then not. So now in coming to the logical operators, you know, and or are the very commonly used logical operator in MySQL. Sir, what is meant by conditional operator? We'll see one by one. Let's say I'm selecting the data from core prices, select star from core prices, where price is greater than, where price is greater than 20,000 or 30,000. If you see here, it's only giving me the price greater than 30,000. If you give lesser than, it will give only the price lesser than 30,000. At the same time, you can give lesser than or equal to. The meaning of lesser than or equal to means which will also include the 30,000. Before it was, it will not include 30,000. It will go from 29,999. It will not include the 30,000. Right now, when you are giving this equal to, which will also include the 30,000 and below. I hope you understood what is by equal to, greater than equal to, lesser than equal to. Now not equal to means I want to take all the thing except Ford, for example, where make not equal to, you can give Ford, except Ford I want all other remaining things. So now if you see here, automatically except Ford everything is getting displayed. So this is the equal to, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, greater than, lesser than, not equal to. At the same time, instead of this you can also go with not equal to. This both perform a same function. This is also not equal to, this is also not equal to. So you can use any one of it. Now this will also return me, except for all the data will be visible here. Now I hope you understood the conditional operators. Now we are going for logical operators. So I said no, in logical operators we have and or. So in what is my and, what is my or? Let's say I have a condition. I want to select model cruise and also year 2017. So which means you want to satisfy both the conditions. One is model cruise and also you want year as 2017. You want to satisfy both the condition. So for to satisfy both the condition, we will use an operator called and operator. Example, select star from car prices, select star from car prices where model equal to cruise and tell me year want to be equal to 2017. I hope you're able to see here. Now if you see here, all whenever the data is, the row is satisfying this both conditions, which is having a model as cruise and also the year is 2017, then it is taking the data out, it is showing it in our output. So what is by or operator? And operator means it want to satisfy both the condition. Now what is by or operator? I'm using the same case, same scenario. Instead of and, I'm giving or. Or means if any one of this condition is satisfying, if any one of this condition is satisfying, it will give you in the output. For example, this guy is cruise, but he is not from 2017. Am I right? So he is satisfying one of the condition. So our operator means if any one of the condition is satisfied, automatically what will happen, guys? Automatically it will give you the output. I hope you understood the and operator and or operator. So today what are things we have discussed is filtering and sorting. Before that, you know how to import a data into a MySQL Workbench. Then you seen the operators, then conditional operators. Now in operators we have conditional and logical operators. In conditional operators we seen equal to, greater than, lesser than, not equal to, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, like that. In logical operators we have and or. And means it want to satisfy both the condition, or means if any one of the condition is satisfied, it will give you the output. Now we will see some real-time scenarios. For example, so I want to select Toyota cars which is having a mileage greater than 40,000, or I want to select Honda, I want to select Honda which is having a price lesser than 20,000. So or else we can say lesser than 25,000. So there is two things. One is Toyota and it want to have a price of greater than 40,000, like mileage want to be greater than 40, or else Honda, or else Honda which having a price lesser than 25,000. This is my scenario. One is make want to be Toyota and mileage want to be greater than 40, or else I can go with Honda cars, Honda make with the price lesser than 25,000. So I want to write a SQL query for this scenario. Okay guys, try this and then watch and continue watching the video. Now if you see here, what I'm doing is select star from car prices. Okay, where first thing is make equal to Toyota, Toyota, and mileage, and mileage want to be greater than 40,000. Now this is one condition. I am making it in a set bracket, rounded bracket I had done. Or else what is the second condition? What is the second condition? Or your make want to be Honda, and or else your make want to be Honda and your price want to be lesser than 25,000. What is the meaning of this query is? So I want to have Toyota and mileage want to be greater than 40,000, or else I want this combination, either make want to be Honda, at the same time the price want to be lesser than 25,000. So right now I'm executing this query. If you see here, so why this is getting selected? Because it is satisfying one of the condition. Let's say this is Honda and also having the mileage greater than 40,000. Let me considering the Toyota, how why it is coming, because it's Toyota and also having the price lesser than 25,000. So either this conditions want to be satisfied, or else it want to satisfy this condition. I hope you understand how to use the combination of the logical and conditional operators. So this is commonly asked interview questions. Now, sir, is it possible to use both filtering and sorting at the same time? Yes, we can use it. Let's say I'm going to filter only the year 2012. So what you'll do, select star from car prices. Come on, tell me where year want to be 2012. Now it's only displaying the year 2012. Now I filtered the data. At the same time, I want to sort. Example, I want to sort make order by make in ascending order. So now what I'm doing? I am filtering only the 2012. At the same time, I'm ordering the complete data based on the make in ascending order. So what is happening, guys? Are you able to see here? I filtered the data of like only 2012. At the same time, I'm sorting the make in ascending order. So I hope you understood how to filter, sort the data, how to apply both at the same time. Always where want to become first, followed by order by. Okay. Next is how to use the operators, both the operators at the same time, and also how to import file into the MySQL Workbench. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe. So we will see the important topics in the upcoming videos. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching.